everybody, it's Tony here with Random Likes. I am out at Melvern Lake. It's the day before the championship for the Kansas kayak anglers in the Kansas Bass Nation. It's about 6:50 in the morning. About 60 degrees out. Really beautiful day. Beautiful sunrise. Not sure if you can see them. A bunch of deer over here behind me. We're going to practice today, try to catch a few fish. Hopefully see how tomorrow goes. Time I release this video, I'll know how I did in the tournament. Not much, but to start, at least I know there's fish over here. So first fish of the day, probably about 12 inches. Another little small fry. Slightly nicer, but not huge by any means. $13.25. Well, there's smallmouth back here. There's a 12-incher, so caught one largemouth, one smallmouth. Not big, but they are back here, which is good. Another little small. Little smallmouth.